Welcome to this quick demonstration of digital forms on how we create and schedule jobs out to our users in the field. Okay, so where we go is we go up to the job scheduler menu, we select jobs. We will then go and we'll create a job by clicking on add. For this example, we'll just do a electrical job, so the job will be to install a new down light and wall plate. Install in third bedroom of house. We can put some notes here. Customer needs this installed ASAP. We can put a purchase order number here if we want to. We just leave that blank for now. And we're just going to select a customer that we already know that's in the in your database. So we've got the customer and we've got their existing site. Let's select tomorrow, the start time, let's call it 7 AM, hoping that we don't have another job scheduled at that time. Let's go Ben Lannister as an example as the employee. We'll go standard electrical job. That's the form that can be pre-filled out. I'll show you what that looks like. We'll just hit next. That then presents the new menu down the bottom here. So you can add employee timesheets at this point and add material if you like. Let's just leave that blank for now. We'll show the job form that can be pre-filled out by administrator. It means that the guys out in the field don't have to keep duplicating data if you already know what part of that form needs to be filled out. So let's just do, for an example job description, install a downlight and wall plate. We'll leave all these other values here blank. That's for the employee to fill out. For this job, we need a job safety analysis required, or a JSA. So let's just select standard JSA form. And let's go send. That job's now being sent out to the employee on their mobile device. We hit OK. Let's just save that job. Now, because I actually put a job time on there, you wouldn't have to go to the scheduler, but I'll show you what the scheduler looks like. So just quickly go to the scheduler. That job has been put in there for tomorrow. So Ben's obviously quite busy there tomorrow. So what we'll do is, that's the job here, we created from 7 AM to 8 AM. Let's just say, hey, we need to extend that out a little bit further. That's going to go from 7 to 10:30. That's done, and we'll just send that out again to Ben to say, yes, your that job time's been updated. Now, Ben would log into his mobile device on the right-hand side here. Let's just go log in. So it's just checking for updates. That's receiving any new jobs that have been sent out, any new form updates or reference documents. So as you can see here at the top menu there, jobs, we'll just go select that. That's the job that we've just created, and that's the email that's just come through saying I've just been assigned a new job. Let's hit view, and the reschedule job as well. That's the information here. So as you can see down the bottom here, we don't have any other further information on the menu or at the top of the app here, up the top. So until I've actually viewed and agreed to the JSA. So I'm now going to view that JSA. That's opened it up. You'll see the option up there. It's saying you have started the job. Let's just hit done to remove that. I've reviewed that JSA. Now I've got all the next and other details in this job to be filled out. So I don't have to fill out anything on the detail. That's great. Let's go to the form. That's the information here that was filled out by admin. I'm just going to add to that. Job was done. Okay. I'm just going to leave these values here blank. Let's just go main earth and electrically safe. Yes, you'd hope so. Visual inspection. And here's some certification questions that the employee has to fill out. Obviously, this form would be modified to suit any form that you have or any type of questioning. This is just an example form. The employee will sign here. Customer was George, for an example. George is going to sign now as well. And we're just going to go over to the resources tab up the top here. So the form's been filled out, and I'm going to select the materials. So we're going to select a downlight. Only one was installed. And let's go for a wall switch, which is $7. I'm now also going to fill out my timesheet as well. So this will pull through some further billing information, which I'll show you back in the administration screen shortly. Let's just do the start time was 1. Let's put some example data in there. You can put a break start and finish time if you like. That will then deduct it from the total hours. Let's just leave that blank for now, and we'll end and submit that job. So that's now been submitted. I'll just go back to the dashboard here, and let's go back to my job screen from the administration portal. And that's the job here that has just been, oh actually, sorry, no, where was that? Oh sorry, this job here on the 30th. So let's just go into that. We can view that job in the web portal if you like. You can show the form that's been filled out in the web browser. There's all the checkboxes that Ben has signed off on, the customer signature. I'm happy with all that. After I've reviewed that, let's just go into the billing module. So we go from the menu there, select billing. Okay, so here's the timesheet that Ben has filled out. I'm going to select the cost code. So I'm going to select for him, that's a senior electrician at $90 an hour. That has then updated the total invoice amount, which is 507 GST if you're in Australia. Tax can be adjusted for anywhere in the world. And then let's just go into change the status to invoiced. Now, if you had integration with Xero, obviously it's a completely different process to this. This is the manual process that I'm showing here. Let's go update. And then we'll go back to the main screen. That's been, the status is now invoiced, and we can review the PDF if you like. So the PDF, this is just a very basic PDF. There's been no design put into this whatsoever. So there's an example job, description on the front page there. Materials have been displayed, timesheets. And then this is the job sheet that could physically go out to the customer if you wanted to have your logo on it, all of the questions here. Employee and customer signature. And that's it. Thanks for your time today.